Hey everybody, Nathan at Pacific Shore Stones. I don't know if you guys know, I'm the general manager at our Austin location. Coast to coast, our company's been around over 14 years. Today we're gonna be talking about how to clean and maintain your granite. We get a lot of questions about how long do I seal it, how many times a year, all these certain things, right? So today we're gonna talk about the best way to clean. So we wanna stay away from no vinegars, no lemon-infused cleaners, no ammonias. We want to stick to just the natural stuff, so some dish soap and water, rubbing alcohol for sanitizing if you get some food and stuff on there, and any kind of granite cleaners you can get from your hardware stores. Another question I get too is, how many times a year do we seal the granite? Okay, so based on the usage, I would say 1 to 2 times a year. Sometimes people don't even seal them at all. So just if you're doing a lot of, having a lot of hosting of parties and a lot of people and really utilizing your stone, try to seal it, I say probably once a year. You can get those seals from any major hardware store. You can pick them up. It's as simple as a wipe on and a wipe off and you'll be good. And then a lot of those cleaners have a maintainer in them. So when you seal it, you just spray the maintainer after you clean it, like after a night of having a get together, and that has a maintainer in it. So that'll keep the longevity of the sealer, keeping clean, keeping your stone nice and shiny for the long term. Thank you.